Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair with my capable assistant Patch right there in the background. Today we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track radio out of a 77 AMC Pacer. This comes from Steve in Kearney, Oklahoma. Steve has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth and USB. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I have the radio set to FM at the moment, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area so we can get through this test really quickly. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, run through the station presets real quick.
Sitting in a circle. Trying to figure out how to...
You don't see exactly what you...
Zoning and permitting.
Okay, we'll move over to AM, and we get one strong AM station in my area. About the center of the dial.
Who is Elon Musk? On Thursday.
Okay, there's our AM station. And while we have it on talk
the
radio,
people of this great country
we'll go ahead and demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions.
Look for it in an individual, but also in a company. At Redland Cotton, the spirit is
Assuming I
grown
can
and
get
sown
the knob to
into
go in
every
there.
piece of their bedding, in their bath towels and quilts.
Okay,
100%
left,
made in
right,
the US.
let's get
Redland
our
Cotton
meters.
starts their process at the ground level. All of their
Alrighty,
cotton
front rear
is grown on
fader.
their family farm in Alabama, and they manufacture every piece
Try it again.
right here in America. That's right. Now, one of the pieces...
Fader adjust.
Alrighty,
United
so
States.
now this tone control
From their humble
knob
beginnings
is adjusting our
2016,
front rear speaker
Redland
balance.
Cotton has grown from
Like
offering
that.
their signature line of
Okay,
bed
I'm gonna
sheets to
stop
now
adjusting
offering
it,
quilts,
let it time out.
towels, and more.
Fader
Fader
set.
set.
The source
Okay,
for
left,
100%
right, balance.
homegrown bedding and bath products. So
Balance adjust.
Okay,
save 20%
so now
on
the
your
same
first order with
control
promo code
is adjusting your
ISBRIN.
left, right balance.
I love mine.
All the
Got
way
them in
left,
mail
all the way
about a
right.
month ago, and
Okay,
you will too.
center.
So go to redlandcotton.com.
Balance set.
Alrighty, let's make sure the
Do it
Bluetooth
today,
goes
and
into
for
pairing
20%
mode, indicating that it
off,
works.
use promo code Brian, B-R.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair, so we know the Bluetooth is working, and there's no USB to test, so she'll come back on 90 seconds later saying pairing not completed. Let's go ahead and test the 8-track.
Less water and even less work.
Got some Neil Sedaka here.
With water's selection of overachieving summer coconut trees.
Change tracks a bunch of times. Okay. Quick speaker check.
It's a star-spangled world. With a hunky-dunky monkey shine.
Blank spot there.
That I give, that means wake up. Oh, you got the barrel of monkeys on an apple.
Okay, there's a track that was blank before. Alrighty, pull the tape.
65.
Radio comes back by itself. Alrighty.
We're the talk of the
That's a
Quad
dial
Cities,
light,
11:30
and that's working
KQNA
as
Preston
well.
Valley.
So there we go.
99.9.
She's ready to go back. Everything's been tested and found to be working properly, and she's ready to go back. And I'm going to be packing these and hitting the post office today. So this is probably be my last video of the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service through the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions because that's what the website's for. I'm happy to talk to you, but I just can't remember my entire catalog during a phone call. And considering the amount of money you're going to be spending, and also that you're going to be sending me a potentially irreplaceable piece of equipment, everything is in writing in my shop. There is no handshake deals, no no finalized discussions over the phone. Everything has to be in writing to protect you and me. So thanks again for watching and listening. Thank you, Steve, for your business all the way from Kearney, Oklahoma, and we'll see you guys next time.